What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Whitestone Dome's tempered glass screen protectors for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic Edition. This is the 46mm, but they do make screen protectors for the smaller size watches, as well as other watches and phones, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself and check out their website for all the other screen protectors that they do make. So I will be going over the installation for this screen protector as well as a scratch test. But first, let's go and see what you get inside the box. So here we get a couple stickers, we get 3 alcohol wipes, we get 3 screen protectors, and some wipe-off cloths. So for the installation, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take your alcohol wipe and we're going to clean off the screen. Next, we'll go ahead and dry it off. Then we're going to take one of our screen protectors. As you can see, there is a little sticker on here. Make sure that the sticker is on the bottom. We're going to peel that off in just a second, but before we do that, we're going to put on our guide stickers. So first, I kind of want to clean off the top of this screen so the stickers stick really well. Go ahead and dry that off. So now we're going to take our guide stickers here, which are right here. You can also use the dust removal stickers in case you have some dust on your screen, which I already do. But first we're going to go ahead and put on our guide stickers. So we're going to kind of put one on each side here. You want to make sure that you kind of put this screen protector on top of something so the guide stickers don't touch anything, which you can use the side of the box here, just like that. We'll put on our other guide sticker. Okay. Then I'm going to use the dust removal sticker to get rid of all the dust. Now this screen protector takes up the whole screen, so there's really not going to be any gaps, but we just want to make sure that this fits perfectly inside the middle of our watch here. So now we're going to go ahead and peel off the underside of the screen. Make sure once you do that, you don't touch the underside. Now we're going to use our guide stickers to kind of place it down in the middle of our screen here. That looks pretty good. Then I'll go ahead and press down in the middle and kind of swipe up and down. And then just go all around here. We'll take off our guide stickers. And that looks like a pretty flawless installation. So there are no gaps, like I said. No gaps anywhere. It looks pretty much just like the screen that is on your watch. We'll go ahead and take our wipe and just kind of wipe it down one more time to make sure it's stuck to the screen really well. So there you go. That's what it looks like. It doesn't come all the way up. There's still a little ridge around the front of the watch here. So we'll go ahead and test out our touch. Touch seems to be working perfectly fine. Yeah, no issues there. Very nice. As you can see, I'm touching the screen very lightly. Everything's working perfectly fine. Learn more. Download the app. Yeah, so touch is working perfectly fine. No issues there. Very nice. And it's crystal clear. Doesn't interfere with anything on the display. Looks great, and it keeps your watch scratch free. And if you happen to tap your face against something, you don't have to worry about it actually touching the screen. So display and functionality and touch work perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and move on to the scratch test. Okay, so here I just placed the screen protector on the back of my battery backup here, just so we can have something hard to put it on and something I can kind of move around so you guys can see the scratches. And then here are my Mohs picks so we can test out the scratch resistant of the screen protector here. Typically a regular phone screen protector will start to scratch at a level 6. So we're going to start off with a level 5 and we'll go from there. Okay, so here is our level 5 we're going to start off with. So very nice. I don't see any scratches yet, so it's looking good so far. So now we're going to move on to a number 6. So as you can see, there are some slight scratches right there. Like I said, typical screen protectors start scratching at a level 6, and this one is doing exactly that. So now we'll go ahead and move on to a level 7. So there, as you can see, there are some deeper grooves at a level 7, and these screen protectors are pretty much on par with all the other regular tempered glass screen protectors, so definitely a plus. And as you can see, if they do happen to break, the screen protector won't just shatter and shards of glass go everywhere, because there is a protective layer on here that keeps all the glass in place. Now, I definitely do recommend Whitestone Dome's tempered glass screen protectors. I've been using them on my phones for quite a few years now, and absolutely do love them, and this one is no exception. This one works just as well, and it looks really nice too. So I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links, because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.